Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV. Our focus on the deepening friction in Maharashtra, where the Maha Aghadi is facing a Maha tension as members of the alliance, the ruling alliance in Maharashtra, are clashing, trading verbal skirmishes with the Congress and the Shiv Sena, taking on each other. Joining me exclusively on NDTV is Arvind Sawant. He's a senior leader of the Shiv Sena, Lok Sabha MP, former Union Minister. Thank you very much indeed, Arvind ji, for talking to NDTV. Arvind Sawant ji.
Tell me. Namaste.
Namaste. You're live on NDTV, Arvind ji.
Yes,
Tell me.
Srinivasan ji. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste. Good to talk to you. Tell me, Arvind ji, what is happening in the
My pleasure.
in the Aghadi? Because you keep saying, Shiv Sena keeps saying there is no problem, everybody is together. But every day we hear Congress making a statement. First, Nana Patole, State Congress Chief, says we are going solo. Now, Prithviraj Chavan says that next Chief Minister will be from Congress.
So what? Is it a trouble? Do you feel? See, first try to understand that, the Maha Vikas Aghadi is formed with a common minimum program.
Yes.
Without losing one's ideology or identity, both the things.
Okay.
So they are independent with their own ideology as well as identity. And they are at liberty to express themselves. What is wrong in dreaming something?
No, but
one should look at the ground. That was the advice given by the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra yesterday, day before yesterday. So nothing wrong in dreaming something. But right now the issues are different.
Once again, Arvind Sawant ji,
to resolve, including opposition.
Arvind Sawant ji, you're saying there is nothing wrong, but Uddhav Thackeray ji himself said in his speech, Foundation Day of the Sena, that anybody who says that we want to go it alone, people will beat you with chappals.
See, this is what the sarcasm in it, you try to understand. That's what I'm saying. I was continuing with the same thing. What did he say?
Yes.
Don't lose the reference to context,
Okay.
The reference is what? The present scenario is that we are facing pandemic. Luckily, we are coming out of it. We should concentrate on that. On the 55th anniversary of the Shiv Sena, he gave a program to Shiva Sainiks and the entire Maharashtra, our workers, that see to it that every house is free of corona.
No. So once again,
what it means, it's not a political program. Political party is giving such a social program.
Okay, but you're saying,
he said that we are facing certain issues right now. Don't look. If you go for this, people will slap us.
Okay, you're saying
people will slap us.
Okay,
right
so
now
are you saying,
issues.
Arvind ji, you're saying no problem if Congress leaders are saying that we will go solo or we'll become Chief Minister. Your Shiv Sena is fine with that.
So what?
So what? Okay.
No, nothing wrong in that 2024. So 2024, why we should worry today? Okay. Our worries are different today. Inflation is there, unemployment is there. We are facing corona.
But
we have to see those worries and tackle with that.
But you're saying so what? But Samna, very strong editorial criticizing such comments from the Congress. Samna editorial is not liking all this.
See, again, don't forget that line.
Okay.
Don't forget that invisible line.
Okay.
He had made it visible. By the speech of the Honorable Chief Minister, he has made it very visible. It was an invisible line. He has made it very clear. If you are showing like that, proclaiming that we want to go solo. What is that solo? You define what do you mean by a solo? So you said, look at the ground also. Please take care on which ground you are standing right now.
Right. Now you are saying that Congress should remember.
The Maharashtra will not tolerate it. They will ask, kindly, we have brought you on the government, you have formed the government.
Right.
Kindly resolve our issues.
Okay,
we are not interested whether you are going alone, solo, alone, whatever it may be.
Okay. Now I understand. You are saying Congress should realize what ground you are standing on before making such statements. But Sawant ji, let me ask you this. Because this is all happening at a time when many people are saying that Shiv Sena and BJP, while you are having friction with the Congress, Shiv Sena and BJP are coming closer. Uddhav ji met the Prime Minister. Then after that, Sanjay Raut said Mr. Modi is the tallest leader. Is there some patch up with BJP?
Oh my goodness, I too have certain friends in BJP. What is that? See, political rivalry is a different thing. Political differences are different.
Right.
But as far as Srinivas is my friend, he may ask me any question, but doesn't mean he is not my friend. So my friendship, my whatever the relations were there with the either Honorable Prime Minister of India, the relations are still continued. And it happens with everyone over there. We don't treat them as enemies.
So
you are in opposition doesn't mean you are an enemy right now. So what is that? They have their own ways to expressing their opposition. We have our own ways to lead the country.
So you're
lead
not
the state also.
So you're denying the fact that Sena and BJP are getting closer?
I think you must observe. You must be observing what is happening in presently. Of late also, the entire opposition party in Maharashtra, I don't think you can sense that they are coming closer. But their action doesn't prove they are coming closer. Not at all. On the contrary, every day they criticize vehemently, very. I mean, we can say below the belt they are criticizing.
But
that's the situation in Maharashtra.
But Arvindji, one of your own MLAs, Shiv Sena MLAs from Thana, you must have seen his letter has gone viral.
So what?
He says that BJP and Sena should come together. BJP is harassing us through income tax raids. Better for Sena to go back to BJP. We had a good relationship with them. Better to go back.
What a good question you asked. Thanks to that. You have said that income tax is harassing or ED is harassing.
He's saying,
or
MLA saying.
Sometimes CBI is harassing.
MLA saying.
Okay. And what is the remedy? Remedy is that form an alliance with BJP so that the cases will be closed down. The files will close down. Is it a right way to work? Is it the right way of the democracy? This means that the ruling party is blackmailing, pressurizing the people to join their party. They have proved it. Of late also, earlier also, they have proved it in the recent Sarada case in West Bengal. The CBI lodged a case against 4 MLAs, including some ministers who were there, and they left out 2 people who joined the BJP. What is that? If you join us, the cases will not be there. If you don't join us, face ED and IC.
So
CBI. Therefore, I again emphasize that the people who have joined BJP in the recent past, kindly verify the reason for what they have joined BJP.
Okay, so you're not then agreeing with your own MLA. You're saying that is not the right way by him to put it.
I think again I'll emphasize that, I'm emphasizing this.
Yes.
What my Paksha Prabhu or the party chief, Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra Uddhavji Thackeray, while addressing, it was not an address, it was a real preaching, I can say. And that day, in meeting, he has said, we are not going to shoulder your palanquins. We are not going to carry your palanquins. We are not slaves.
So in conclusion,
we are independent. Hindutva, we too belong. The Hindutva is there in our heart.
Yes.
He said it. It cannot be your patent.
And
we are the party which contested on Hindutva first in India. It cannot be. He said it. What more you need? This is what the directives he has given in his speech.
So in conclusion,
I said preaching.
In conclusion, Arvindji, so it's in conclusion, because it's for us as observers, we are still trying to understand this relationship in Maharashtra. You're saying in conclusion that despite whatever tu meme, Agadi, MVA are together and will complete the full 5 years together. No question of BJP or
anything? 100% they'll complete.
100%,
they'll. Yeah, no question. They are masters of ruling. They know how to rule the state. Much more experience. Last time also, see, when even Congress and NCP was together, they ruled the state for 15 years. Do you mean to say there were no disputes were not there? Every now and then there were the disputes. Right from, you just kindly recollect Ashok Chauhan's case, Adarsha case. There was a serious dispute within the Congress and with NCP also. But still they continued for 15 years.
Rule together but with disputes.
So we too know how to govern the state.
All right. That seems to be the model of Maharashtra at the moment. But thank you very much.
Sir, you have a liberty to express it.
All right, Arvindji. Always a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you so much for talking to me.
Thanks
very much indeed.
Bye.